Well, it's that time again, to make yet another wildly impractical generator using Lego. But what is this one actually used for? Well, you know when you stumble into the bathroom in the middle of the night, only to have your eyeballs assaulted by the blinding light of 1,000 suns when you turn on the bathroom light? Well, this generator might be just the thing for you. A while back, I made this totally over-engineered egg timer, and the escapement mechanism allows it to gradually release stored energy, running for well over 12 minutes. So this got me wondering, can I turn something like this into a slow-release generator that can power a bathroom nightlight? Well, to start with, we need a power source. And this Lego wind-up motor is perfect for storing some energy. I'm gonna cheekily recycle this escapement mechanism from my egg timer, because really, I use the bathroom more often than I cook eggs. The magnets will hang from this wagging pendulum once we attach the wind-up motor and a handle. Now we can wind it up to store some energy. And if I release it, because there's currently no weight on the pendulum, it rapidly wags its tail like an excited puppy. Now, of course, if we're going to store some energy, we want to know just how full our tank is. This sort of clock face thing will indicate green at a full tank, and it'll gradually wind itself down to the red indicator. Next then are our magnets, and a word of warning here if you're making one of your own. These magnets are ridiculously powerful, so please respect them around your fingers. These will make mincemeat out of them if you forget one nearby. Okay, let's connect them to the pendulum. Then we'll need our wire coils. This horribly thin 38 gauge wire will allow us to wind many windings, increasing the voltage, but also massively increasing the resistance. Then let's pop these coils into place and introduce our mechanism with the magnets between the coils. If you'd like to see more of these wacky Lego experiments, feel free to like or subscribe, or even join my channel membership available via the join button beneath the video. Alright, let's give this contraption a whirl. We'll start by giving her some juice. And now with a gentle nudge, voila! We have a clock-like generator that slowly releases energy over time. As the magnet pendulum swings between the coils, it produces a small amount of electrical energy, just enough to power some LEDs. Now currently the LED is flashing because of the varying signal created with each swing of the pendulum. But in a moment, we'll smooth the signal out so that we have a permanently lit light. So I guess the question now is, just how long does this little generator run for? Let's test it. You'll notice here the LED gradually dims a little over the course of 2 minutes when the needle reaches the red indicator. Just enough time for a bathroom trip. Speaking of, no one wants a flashing light annoying them. So let's use this wee capacitor to smooth the signal, so we get this nice smoothed output and a continuously lit light. In fact, if we really want, we can light a few more of them. Okay, but how does it fare as a bathroom nightlight? Okay, we are in pitch black here. Let's see if we can give this a try. Hey, there we go. I don't know if this ghostly green is the best color for a nighttime bathroom trip, but it's certainly just enough light to see what's going on without being totally blinded. Now, if you really want to give this a little bit of an extra kick, you can just feed the handle a little bit more juice, and there you go. I'm sure there are plenty of other uses for a slow release generator, but this was the first use case that just popped into my head. Please let me know if you can think of any other use cases that require just small amounts of electrical power. Cheers!